We'll see about program to find the largest of two numbers. So at the top, we'll go for preprocessor statement. Hash include stdio.h, hash include stdlib.h. In the main code, we'll accept two numbers here. For that, I'll declare two integer variables, that is a and b. Let's read the value of it from the user. Printf, enter two integers. And then you can read it using in scanf, %d, %d, ampersand of a and ampersand of b. And then here you can check which is greater now. Okay. So you can check here by giving a if whether it is greater than b. If a is greater than b, if this condition is true, then I have to display a as largest. Then I'll give here printf /n. That is largest is equals to %d. That is display the value of. If this condition is false, then b is largest. So then I can check here one more condition, that is if b is greater than a. Check the condition here. If b is greater than a, then you display the b as largest by giving printf largest is equals to %d. That is display the b value. Okay, and then close this. And then close this. Let's see how this works. I will assume that a value, you are accepting a value of scanf %d, ampersand of a and ampersand of b. Let's assume that a value is given as 25 and b value is given as 13. So now in that case, when it comes and checks the condition here, whether a is greater than b, 25 is greater than 13, the condition is true. If it is true, it will execute this, whatever is there inside this compound statement, that statement will get executed. So that is nothing but I have displayed here largest is equals to a value is equals to 25, so it will display the message as largest equals to 25. Same thing, assume that you have given here a value is 25 and b value is 213. So 25 is greater than 213, this condition is false. Okay, it comes to this one more if, and then check here 25 is it greater than, sorry, b value is 213 is greater than 25, this condition is true. So if it is true, it will execute this largest is equals to b, the b value is 213. In the previous case, when a value is 25, and b value was 13, okay, this condition is true, it will execute largest as 25, whereas this condition will be false. B is greater than a, 13 is greater than 25, the condition is false. That means this will not get executed. That means only this part has got executed. In the second case, here when a value is 25 and b value is 213, so 25 is greater than 213, this condition is false. That means this will not get executed. Whereas 213 is greater than 25, the condition is true. In that case, this will get executed. That is largest is equals to b. Okay, this is how we will find the largest of two numbers only with an if statement. Let's see the output of it in a code block. Find largest of two integers. Okay, here I have declared a variable a and b. Read the value of those two variables, scanf %d, ampersand of a and ampersand of b, and here I have checked here a value is whether it is greater than b. If this condition is true, that means a is largest, then I'll display here largest colon a. So after that I am checking here b is it greater than a. So if this condition is true, then naturally this condition will be false. When it is false, then this printf where largest equals to b will not get executed. So only the first printfs will get executed. If this condition is false, that is, let's take here a value is 25 and b value is 213, then this condition is 25 is greater than 213, condition is false, then it will execute the second one. It will not execute this part, that is true part here. It comes down and check the condition. That is 213 is greater than 25. The condition is true. If it is true, then it will come and display our largest equals to b. Either this printf or this printf will get executed. Not both. But for the second if statement, I have not put an open and close brace. That is optional. As I told you, if you're having set of statements only, then you have to give this open and close. Whereas if there is only one single statement, then it is an optional. If you don't give an open and close brace also, it is fine. So we'll run the code and then see the output. So I'll run the code. So I'll give the first value is 25 and second value is 213. So here it is displaying the second value, the 213, as largest. Why? Because here it has checked the condition. 25 is greater than 213. This condition is false. In that case, this printf will not get executed. Comes down. 213 is greater than 25. True. Then largest equals to b. B values 213. That is displayed. Now, if I rerun this code and then give here, the first value is 25 and the second one is 13. So 25 is greater than 13. The condition is true. So largest equals to 25. That means the first statement has got, this is true, so that it will display largest equals to a. So a value is nothing but 25, so it has displayed largest equals to 25. Whereas the second condition is going to be false. That is 13 is greater than 25. The condition is false, so it has not executed this printf statement. Either this printf or the second printf will get executed.